Tutorial: How to install a graphics card in a PC desktop. Info tutorials for PC desktops. In this tutorial I'll teach you how to install a graphics card. I'll use a graphics card AGP. But for PCI Express cards the theory is the same, it only changes the type of slot. First we find the slot on the motherboard, in this case the AGP slot is brown. If we have doubts we can look at the motherboard manual, and if you do not have the manual, you can transfer it on the manufacturer's website. After we found the slot we have to open the plastic lock. Then simply insert the graphics card carefully and slowly, then close the lock. If the graphics card requires external power supply we must connect the cable now. If the lock does not close you did not insert the graphics card correctly. After inserted and locked we must install the drivers that came with the card or transfer it directly through the manufacturer's website. Info tutorials for PC desktops.